Hi, I'm Charlotte Baker. I'm a Hobbycraft artisan and artist. Today I'm going to show you the wet on wet watercolour technique. Let's get started. Subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and click the bell icon to be notified of future videos. I'm going to show you the wet on wet technique, which is used to create a softer wash of colour. First, we need to apply some clean water to the paper. Make sure there's enough water on the paper so that it does not dry. Apply water to anywhere you want the paint to go. Now you can load up your brush with your chosen colour of watercolour paint and apply it to the wet areas. Notice how it feathers out and gets lighter at the edges as the water dilutes the paint. In watercolour, the water acts as white, which will lighten your colour. You can also take a different colour and mix it in so that the colours blend seamlessly. For more watercolour techniques and inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.